K-Babies Lane, you are my subscriber spotlight. Thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family, and I appreciate your support. Sending you a huge air hug. Hi lovies, thank you for coming back to see me. So today I am going to be demoing this dip powder set that I purchased off of Amazon. I want to let you guys know that I have been experimenting on different dip powders, and I'm going to bring it to you as I, experiment. And this one I picked up, and it's by MEFA, MEFA. It only has 6 dip powders in it. It does not come with any liquids. Okay, so I picked this up off of Amazon, and let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. Of course, it comes with the instructions. Oops, let me turn that around. And most of the sets do come with instructions giving you tips on how to apply the liquid. I'm sorry, the powder. Okay, so I'll sit that out the way. And this set is a set of blues. I totally stepped outside of my comfort zone because I normally like nude colors, but I thought these colors were really pretty, so I thought that I would try them and figure out how I'm going to put them on. So let's just go ahead and open them up. Okay guys, so I got them all opened up. Now I'm gonna open each one so we can take a look at the colors. I noticed that it does not have the colors on the bottle at all. It looks like it just has the numbers there. So yeah, I hate when companies do that because I really would like to know what they named it, but I will insert the colors in the description box so you guys can see. All right, so the first one I'm going to open up so you can actually see what it looks like. These did have tabs in them. I tried to remove those, so it takes so long in the video. This is like a dark sky blue, almost very pretty. The powder is very fine grit, so that should go on really pretty. It's very fine. Okay, very pretty. All right, and then let's open this one. It comes with 6 colors again. All right, this one is, I bet that would be very pretty. It's like a sparkly blue and silver in there. So that's very pretty, if you can see that. All right, so it comes with the solid. Okay, then here is the next color. Okay, this is shimmery too. Looks like it's just silver though. Silver with a little white, maybe. That's really pretty. Yeah, I am really happy about trying out some new colors. So I'm gonna be bringing them to you guys as I try them. And I wanna try different brands. So this is the, looks like an army kind of green, almost. Okay, and again, this is a set of 6 powders. This looks like a, almost like a violet blue, has a little purple in it. Okay, so that's really pretty. I'm getting a little spillage here, so I'm gonna tap that off. Okay. All right, and the last one is almost like a royal blue. I bet that would be really pretty too. Okay. All right, so this set again, it comes with 6 colors. 6 colors. Okay. No liquids comes with this set. No liquids come with this set. It is just the powders, and it was $16, and I got it off of Amazon. And again, I will link this down in the description box so you guys can see it if you're interested and check out this company as well. Again, I'm going to be bringing you guys different dip powder brands, and I'm going to be trying a bunch of different colors I normally would not try. But hey, I'm going to just, step outside my comfort zone and try some different things. So yeah, so there you go. This set again is by MEFA. Okay, MEFA. I know I'm not saying it right. MEFA, or I don't know. But anyway, I got it off of Amazon. It comes with 6 powders, and no liquids. Okay, no liquids. And this is just giving the information on the back. It does say that it's long-lasting colors and that it lasts 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. And it was $16 again off of Amazon. And yeah, the containers are very small again compared to some of the ones that I've used before. And if you guys have been following me, you know that I first started the dip powder journey, I guess, when we went into quarantine, when the pandemic hit, and I decided I'm gonna try to do my own nails. It seemed fairly easy, and I started out with the Kiss brand, and I really love that. The only reason I think I want to be trying some more things now is because Kiss just does not, I love it, it's very cheap, but they don't offer a lot of colors, and I want to expand my horizon a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to be trying out some different colors. So yeah, so this is the brand MEFA, MEFA. If you guys are interested in picking up a set, remember it does not come with any liquid. No liquids, no base, no top, no activator. So you would have to have your own, you know, of those, or pick it up. I'm pretty sure this brand has the different sets of the base and the activator and all of that. I just did not pick that up because I already have some base and activator and top coat, so I'm just going to use those, the ones that I actually have. Okay. All right, so if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the description box. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you guys have tried this particular set, or if you know some other sets you'd like me to try, please leave it down in the description box. I would love to give you what you guys would like to see. Like I said again, I'm just experimenting and with different colors, and yeah, so it's kind of fun to be doing it. So you guys look out for this demo. I'm gonna be getting ready to do a demo on these particular colors today, so that should be coming up soon. So make sure you check out or follow and look out for those that video that I will be doing. Okay, all right, well, that's it for this video. Just wanted to open it up and let you guys see, and I will see you guys in my next video. You guys stay safe. All right, bye.